Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in muscle cells, playing a vital role in energy production during high-intensity activities. When you consume creatine, either through food or supplements, it's absorbed into the bloodstream and transported to your muscles. Here, it combines with phosphate to form creatine phosphate, a molecule that serves as a rapid energy reservoir. During intense exercise, like sprinting or heavy lifting, your muscles quickly use up ATP, the primary energy currency of the cell. Creatine phosphate steps in, donating its phosphate group to regenerate ATP, allowing your muscles to keep working at peak performance. Over time, consistent creatine supplementation can increase the total creatine stored in muscles, supporting enhanced strength, power, and muscle growth. It also helps with faster recovery and reduced fatigue, making it a popular choice among athletes and fitness enthusiasts aiming to push their limits and maximize their results.